Yo, what's poppin'? We're back here at Motorcycles of Greensboro with these two. Who are you guys?
I'm Paul, and this is?
I'm Andrew.
And we are Motorcycles of Greensboro. And we asked Albro here to do a video that is going to hopefully help our efforts for the Western North Carolina flood relief. We're doing a fundraiser, and we are 2/3 of the way to our goal of $10,000. We're donating all the money to Samaritans Purse. Some people have a personal story already about the efforts that they're doing.
I have a cousin who lives in the Asheville area whose house was damaged by the floods and fallen trees. And yesterday, Samaritans Purse had a crew out there cutting trees and helping them get everything squared away. So it seems like they're already doing some good for some of the folks who live out there. Everyone's got a long road ahead of them, and we think it's very important to help out our neighbors. As motorcyclists, we all tend to spend a lot of time in Western North Carolina. It's an area that's very dear to our hearts, and so we really want to help people out there because they're our neighbors and they need help. So
I'm sure there are people from far away. We've had donations come in from as far as Thailand and Australia. The devastation is absolutely insane, and we just want to do what we can. We're asking for your help to help us do that.
yeah, so remember, all of your donations are going to be matched 100% by our owner here at Motorcycles of Greensboro. So the more you donate, our goal is $10,000. In just 3 days, we have raised a little over half that. So we're making great progress.
$59.70.
We still have a little bit to go, and we are not going to stop at $10,000. So anything more that we get, again, we're going to continue to match these donations. So let's please try to raise as much money as we possibly can to help out our neighbors.
Western North Carolina is home to some of the most beautiful roads and scenic beauties. It's a motorcycles paradise, and the small businesses here have been completely devastated. Buildings, homes, everything is just completely been lost. Families have been displaced. So any help is greatly appreciated.
It doesn't matter whether it's $10 or something larger.
Whatever, yes.
Whatever you can do to help.
Please give us a call. We're going to have our phone number on the screen here, and we accept all major credit cards. So please just give us a call.
Thank you very much. But most importantly, we are motorcyclists. We are Motorcycles of Greensboro, and we are North Carolina, and together, let's rebuild our community.
That's it.
Thank you.